Hello, welcome back to Plumbing College. Today is a lesson on ceramic disc taps. So if your tap works like this, quarter turn, rather than like this, it's got a ceramic disc inside. Right, so inside these taps are cartridges. Basically all that happens is you turn it quarter of a turn, like this. So all that's happening is water comes in here and around there. So when it's closed, that's closed, hole's blocked, and open, closed, like that. Right, so these cartridges last a lot longer than traditional washers. So all you can do is just replace the cartridge. You cannot repair inside here. The tap here is dripping. You can just about see it on the camera. So all we can do is change the cartridge. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to isolate the supply. Isolate the supply like that. Make sure that the water's isolated using a Stanley knife. Remove the top. So then using a screwdriver, we remove the top of the tap. Right, so what we then do, to protect the chrome, we'll put some cloth rounds, using some pump pliers. Okay, we don't want the spout to turn, because if it turns it could cause leaks underneath. Right, what we then do, as we then undo, we can then remove the cartridge. Right, so we've now found exactly the same size cartridge to replace it with. And remember, they're colour coded, so hot is red. Right, so we put the new hot cartridge in. Right, we then do it up tight. Like that. And put the top on, and put the screw back in. Put the top back on, like that. We then switch the water back on. We test out our tap. If you put the wrong one on, so if you put the cold onto the hot one, let me show you what will happen. That's what happens. Okay, so it's wrong. If you've got a mixer tap, it's the same process, but you have to isolate the water on the hot and cold. And what you would do in this case is you would unscrew that. And you'd have to replace the entire cartridge. So this cartridge does a hot and cold. Okay, so good luck in finding a cartridge of that size for that particular tap. Now you know how to repair a ceramic disc tap. It's your turn to have a go.